Hello everyone, this is Mia Wasimas and I hope you will be fine, shine like a star. Today we discuss about the most economical, most expensive, most beautiful topic: how to earn money, how to make money online, how to make money offline. There is a different way you can generate maximum dollar per day. There is a few methods already we share in the last video. The most important element: sell your stuff. Do you have stakes of caching sitting and ethic closets and basement? You probably do, in the form of stuff we forget about or not longer need. Even worse, if you have on your storage lockers or probably paying good money for zero value in return. So why not sell this stuff and make extra cash while cleaning out your place at the same time? Selling unwanted items, it is very quickly way to make cash with a high earning potential. Worthy, this is an online auction site. Think eBay for jewelry. Anyone can sell diamonds, ring, gold, platinum, gemstone, earning bracelets, necklace, watch, and valuable jewelry. They will provide you with GIS certificate appraisal completely free. Worthy.com review: sell your jewelry will Worthy. Worthy offers you sells your unusual jewelry online at the great price. Send your jewelry to Worth today and get free certificate. The second option is Cash for Gold USA. This site specializes in gold over 900 ounce. For pure gold, you can make money selling the coins and jewelry you may have lying around. They are giving the first time bonus of $50 for new customer. It is a very great idea you can achieve. Bachelor. These side apps can help you 100 by trading your old cell phone for cash. You're never going to use it again. You may also as well sell it. You will get 100% bonus of $50 if you have coupon sell my cell 100%. And it is very great and other great platform to sell your stuff or quick $10,000. Postmark, Goat and I for fashion. Use app like Postmark, Depto to build your own personal brand and show off your flair for style. You can if buy quality vintage cloth and goodwill or other third store and resell them into more expensive make like NYC LA for a premium. With this strategy, you could definitely make $100 per day. Etsy. Set up your own online store to sell your unique crafts from poetry, botanic inspired face masks to knitted sweater. This is the fast growing app to sell everything locally. It's complete with the Facebook marketplace, Cargus textile we use to online sale. You could also become an Amazon seller. Amazon is the great platform which you can easily sold your products in very easiest way. There is no potential, no hypertension. You can easily sold your products and you can earn money from online and get maximum dollars per day, per week, per years. It is very great platform you can utilize. Garage sale or yard sale. For how teach to way to sell your stuff, consider garage sale or yard sale on weekend. Advertise on social media for few weeks in advance. A lot of people are coming. I hope this video is very useful for you. Thank you very much.